Hey everybody, here's Doc Severson. Good weekend. Here is your market minute for Saturday, the 16th of December. All right, let's have a little bit of fun with Fibonacci's. So far be it for me to suggest that we can predict future prices based on past information, but this is what the Fib extensions are for. So let's have a little fun with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Great Financial Crisis, and we're going to set up this first Fib extension right here. And notice what it projected at the 161.8% extension, which is right up here. And we got close to, in the 2015-2016 sideways bear market that we had. So this was more of a sideways extended correction that lasted for quite some time before 2017 came along and this resolved to the upside. But that was essentially extended to the 161.8% Fib extension from this whole move to the downside. So was it perfect? No, not quite, but it did a good job of suggesting where we might expect to see an extension to. So now let's do the same thing with the pandemic move. So this was not technically a bear market in my mind. This is more of just a savage pullback that we saw. But let's do the same thing here with the Fib extensions. And boy, does that nail it for the 161.8% extension for this one, which was right to the highs at that time for the end of 21, beginning of 2022 for the Dow. And then, of course, we had our bear market over 2022, which bottomed out in October, and now we're at new highs again. So you know where I'm going with this one now. Let's move this down and do the same thing. So from the extension that we had for the entire 2022 bear market, where are we projecting the move to? In this case, the 161.8% extension is right around 42,100 for the Dow. Now, if we get there, it's not going to get there all at once, so be patient. We're going to see moves similar to what we went through in the 21 move. So if we're going to move into the next cyclical bull market that's within this entire secular bull, then it's going to come in fits and starts. We're going to get little corrections. We're going to get range expansion, range contraction, and we should stair step our way somewhere up to 42K for the 161.8% extension. Now, again, that's just an extension. This is not a prediction of the future, whatever we have here. It's just a tool, so keep that in mind. But with all-time highs now at the end of 2023, the probabilities look good for us to extend the gains into 2024, irrespective of what you think of the economic and political climate that we see in front of ourselves these days. All right, guys, that's it for today's Market Minute. Have a great weekend. We'll see you back here in the next one.